Hello students, today I am going to teach you about formulas in spreadsheet. The topic has been taken from class 9402 IT CBSE. So you know that MS Excel is very important software and we used to study OpenOffice Calc, that is the replica of MS Excel. So MS Excel we used to do some complicated task also, but to understand that CBSE has implemented OpenOffice Calc in class 9th and 10th, and we used to study OpenOffice Calc, and for that we used to learn some formula. So formula in a spreadsheet, what do you mean by formula in spreadsheet? So formulas, you know that we used to write the formula by preceding some equal to sign. Let me take a pointer. We used to write the formula. First we used to write equal sign, then we used to write some numbers, then we used to write some operators and some functions. And now what is copying formula? First of all, you'll write something, you'll write you write some set of values. Then here you can see this is the formula bar, this is the formula bar, summation sign is there. So equals to sum C2 to C6. C2 means you can see this is C1, this is C2, C2 to C6. So this formula will do sum of the values which are entered in the cell C2 to C6. Formula with cell address. Cell address means when we write the cell address. Cell address means A1, B1, C1, D1. That is the cell address. Formula with cell address, how to write? Means first we need to select the cell where we have to write the formula, and then in the cell, suppose you have written equals to cell address A1, means where we want to write the formula, we want to write the formula in A1. Replace A1 with the cell reference of the first cell in the selected range. Formula with cell name, you will provide some name to the cell. Just say here we have ABC, so you will provide, for example, item name, some ABC names will be. So here we'll write equals to name, whatever name we have given that we'll mention, that will be formula with cell name. Now you can see item list, items, this is formula with cell name, item sales, item sales. So here we have written the items, here we have written the sales. So this is equals to sum item list item sales, that is formula with cell name. Now formula with inbuilt function in spreadsheet. Inbuilt function means there are some functions which are inbuilt, like equals to sum, equals to average, max, min. That is, these are the inbuilt function. We have many inbuilt function. We have count also. A function is a predefined formula that perform calculation using specific values in a particular order. All spreadsheet program includes common function like we used to do sum, we used to do average, we used to do count, we used to find maximum values and minimum values for a range of cell. Now you can see formula with inbuilt function. How we can write? As we have in formula bar already I have told you how to write. Equals to sum, for example, equals to sum C2 to C5, then we have to write the formula from C2 to C5. Here in C7 I have written, as I will click enter, I will get the result. Now name and argument. A formula is composed of names and argument. So equals to sum A1 to A5. So this is the name of the function, and A1 to A5 is the argument. This is sum is the name and A1 to A5 is the argument. Explanation. Name is the name of the function and argument are the value written inside the parenthesis, that is value written inside the bracket are the argument. Operator in Python. Now these are the sum function in spreadsheet. So these are the small things which I hope you'll understand when you'll go through it. So let's sum up this exercise. What we have done, we have understood about the formula, we have understood how to write the formula and how to write formula with cell address and formula with cell name, and then how to write a formula which are inbuilt. So I hope you'll understand. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.